This is your channel messages for the 9th of May. Pisces, we are going straight into a channel song. One of my favorite artists is a Pisces moon, and I'm not sure what is happening in Lagos. What is happening in Lagos? Me don't know what go on in Lagos. Either way, this is the channel song I have for you. Pisces, Burna Boy is a Pisces moon. Okay, Cancer sun. It don't cast last. Now everybody gon' chop breakfast. Yay. Tony Braxton. Yay. What we tell them? You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, cause I will win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed take your insult, oh. My mind, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. He manipulate my love, I know only, and I know detail, nothing I buy, yo, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo, I need a bow and shy, yo. I need a bow and shy, yo. I need a bow and shy, yo. And shy, yo, shy, yo. I need a bow and shy, yo. I need a bow and shy, yo. I need a bow and shy, yo, shy, yo. And I got them the net kills a coma and jabba jabba do Coca-Cola. My feelings are gonna swing like John Conova. Feelings are gonna swing like John Conova. The money, what? Feelings are gonna swing like John Conova. My feelings are gonna swing that to Banite to always you. Nana, Burna Boy. Why you say I did nothing for you when I do anything you want me to do? To Banite to always you. But we tell them, why you say I did nothing for you when I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my, and we get it right. We don't have last. Now everybody gon' chop breakfast. I gotta say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, yo. I need it, but shy, yo. And shy, yo. Shy, yo. I need it, but and shy, yo. And shy, yo, and shy, yo, shy, yo. Let me see if YouTube going to copyright the fucking song. YouTube copywriting my vocals, or are you copywriting the karaoke version? Tell me, YouTube fucking technicians. Every single time I try to express my feelings to my fucking YouTubers about why I need a bow and Shayo, right? Even though I come from Jamaica and Burna Boy come from Nigeria, you try to copyright my shit. So what are you copywriting? You copywriting my vocals? Are you copywriting Burna Boy instrumentals? Talk to me, YouTube technicians. Anyways, I don't know what go on in Lagos, but I am picking up a Nigerian, or I'm picking up a Nigerian man. Okay, is this a Yahoo boy? Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Pisces, let that song be a channel message. I'm getting. You have to say bye-bye, yo, bye-bye, yo, to the love of my life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo, I need a bow and shy, yo. I need a bow and shy, yo. And shy, yo. And shy, yo. Shy, yo. I'm getting a need a bow and shy, yo, to deal with a breakup. Or I'm getting, ever since this breakup, all you can think about is getting a bow and Shayo. Now we talk about this already on the channel. Now, even though Nigeria is in Africa and Jamaica is in North America, it's closer to America and Cuba than it is close to Africa. Okay, a lot of people think that Jamaica come from Africa. Nevertheless, Burna Boy did travel to Jamaica to put on a show. Because we may not come from the same continent, but we all speak the same music. We all speak the same soul. Regardless if the lingo is different. Alright, so I'm getting something up. This could also be you have to say bye-bye to the love of your life. You probably think you was going to be with somebody. You think you was going to marry somebody. You're like, yes, this is the person I want to be with. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. I'm getting that's not who you're going to be with. Who you thought you was going to be with, that's not him or her. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Pisces, brother boy is a Pisces moon. That mean, you see when him there with you, he make you feel like, first of all, when Burna Boy is with somebody, he make them feel like them and him wife. Burna Boy will treat you exactly like him wife. And he has never proposed to you. I'm a Cancer Sun, Pisces moon. I really like Pisces men. Them always really emotionally mature. Cancers are also very attached. It's a very good placement. I'm surprised that he is the character he is with a Cancer Sun and Pisces moon. Let me look on him chart again. His northern node is Capricorn. There we go. Yeah. Baby, come wine paneting. Mr. Neil, Mr. Mohan, Mr. Neil, good morning, Mr. Mohan. Baby, come wine paneting, come give me that. Jump up on my body like an animal. Wine paneting like Natal. I'm all lock Mr. Neil and YouTube down like criminal. One fuck feeling like 1 million. People just are watching like a cinema. Wine paneting like carnival. Okay, I'm surprised that he's water, so this is weird. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I don't know what is happening in Lagos. What is happening in Lagos? What is happening? These Yahoo boys are getting out of control with Burna Boy. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Pisces. We have the Two of Cups. That's usually kind of like Pisces energy. Cups. We're talking water. So I'm getting a new relationship. So I don't know if you're dating Burna Boy. Jesus, the African giant. Oh. Anyways, you might be dating a celebrity. I'm getting a dating a Pisces. This is a Pisces. The Two of Cups, that's Pisces energy. It's not a major arcana because it's cups, the Two of Cups, but I'm getting a dating. Yeah, maybe you have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of your life. So it's either you're moving on or you're making the next step with this person who you're with. All right? We have the Seven of Cups. So we have Two of Cups, Seven of Cups. I'm getting you wondering if someone feels the same way about you. I'm also getting you want to know how somebody is when them drink. I'm getting you need to get high or drunk-ish in front of somebody. Now, I don't know if you do it for see if the person going to rob you or you do it for see if what the person going to do, if the person going to take advantage. I feel like you act like you're drunk with this girl for see if she can rob you, take pictures of you while your back turn or something like that. But I'm getting you reminiscing and you're thinking about this relationship. We have the Queen of Swords. I'm getting something up. I'm getting a woman. She's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The Devil card. Now we just talk about Burna Boy, another node being Capricorn. So, alright, so I'm getting something about this girl saying she can't be, okay. So I'm getting a lot of spell work on Burna Boy. I'm getting a lot of spell work on you. Okay, I'm getting the women who you date. I don't know, it's like them I tell you so there's a weird energy about you. No, I don't know if Burna Boy do you have a lazy eye? Lazy eye, I don't know if you know lazy eye. You know what a lazy eye is? It's usually when you see the eye go this way. Sometimes they must say a goat eye. It look like goat, it will cross. Like sometimes you're looking on something and the eye will fade. That's a usually a nick. That's a knack for say you can clear, you can fortune tell. You see if your eye just cross naturally, that's different. You see if you have a lazy eye or your eye will cross in certain videos, like people say your eye look like goat, Baphomet, you look like goat eye, usually you're clairvoyant, you're psychic. I'm not sure if that's why you put on glasses. I'm getting something about the women, them saying that them when them with you, them, okay, so you see if you have beer man that do blood clot magic for you, right? Because Burna Boy camp is impenetrable. Right? If you have some man that do magic for you, me getting the girl and where you date, them can't handle the magic. I don't know if them are go schizophrenic. Cause I get to get, you will date these girls. I don't know if you sedate the girl them or you drink around the girl them. It's like, I'm getting the girl them where you date. I'm getting the girls that you're dating, you like them, you love them, but you see that them can't handle the magic what protect you. Cause me getting every girl that they with, them will leave you. Them, I don't know, it's like them leave you and them say, yeah, him is the worst person ever. And yeah, I say, but me not say so. What them I feel? Me getting at the magic what over you. Now, I'm also getting something about a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius woman. I don't know if it's your mother or your auntie. I'm getting shadow magic on your love life. Now, this could be a Pisces. I'm getting something about a jealous Pisces woman. I don't know if it's your mother who very, very jealous of you. So she go around and every type of relationship you in, she try to reach out to the man them and sabotage your relationship. I'm getting your mother. Or I'm getting a Pisces woman that's very envious of you. Me getting every time in our relationship, the relationship end the same way or the relationship get very toxic. Me getting that woman here keep a reach out to the man them and I tell the man them fuckery. Or me don't know what them I tell the man them, but apparently after this woman, it could be a Libra, after she finished talking to these men, something turned from being so gentle and harmonious to being the devil card. Me getting a Pisces woman, this older woman, she keep fucking up your relationships. You're gonna find out how much your mother hates you. You're gonna find out somebody gonna tip you off as to how much your fucking Pisces mother hates you. Your mother hates you. She hates you so fucking much. This is jealousy beyond compare. And I don't understand how could you be jealous of something that came out of your own pussy. One more. It could be a Libra too. It's a Libra woman. It could be a lesbian Libra woman who like you. Cause I'm getting every time you're in a relationship with one man. Okay, so I'm getting your newest relationship is going to be with a Pisces man. You see, if you want Pisces man and you just start talk to this girl, one woman gonna reach out to you. She gonna either tell you for do certain things, but I don't know if she offer you money. She gonna tell you for do some certain things to this woman, and she gonna tell you say you can't get by with it. Now, if you follow the Pisces or the Libra woman, I don't know if you get money, what's happening, but I also know that you're going to lose this person. So you need to know, is your love stronger than your greed for money? You want money or you want love? Because I'm getting, as soon as I start talking to this girl, I'm getting to start dream about her. And you're going to start saying, Jesus Christ, I just can't wait for meet her again. But I'm getting this woman that going to reach out to you. It's a Libra woman. She might even tell us that I don't know if she has to she's lesbian or she has to she's somebody's wife. I'm getting a very obsessive Libra who keep fucking up your love life with men. The problem is, I don't think you eat pussy. She does. That's the issue. Let's clarify. I'm getting something about this I don't know if I the protection spell what upon you, but I'm getting it and make the girl them go schizophrenic when them round you. I'm getting it now. Maybe that's why you start make the girl them put on glasses. Cause I'm getting you will talk to the girl them with your glasses on and the girl them go mad. Or you take off your glasses and talk to them go mad. Or this could be, I'm getting you have a lazy eye, and you notice when you talk to people for long time, them get the lazy eye too. Like the spell a transfer, like something a transfer over. But usually the lazy eye, it usually means a psychic. You can't fortune tell. The Two of Cups is clarified by me tell you can't fortune tell. You want Pisces, even if you want Pisces man, you naturally can't fortune tell. Pisces man usually naturally psychic to me. Them just know. So I'm getting the Two of Cups, the Tarot. So the Tarot is telling you that you and this person can be together. But you see, if you listen to this woman who I tell you what to say, who I tell you what to do, I'm getting at the one jealous. She's jealous. I don't know if the woman want you to distract somebody so she can take the woman's destiny. Because I'm getting somebody away for you for abandon something and be distracted with a man or a woman so them can take it on. I'm getting a one jealous blood clot woman. She's jealous. Any fucking ways. You see, if you listen to her, you're going to lose a relationship. So, if you notice that you just talk to somebody and this woman will reach out to you. Also, the woman might reach out to you and try to extort you. She might try to take money from you or tell you say you only can see this person on this and this date. Don't listen to her. Tell her to go suck her mother was dead. 7 of Cups is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. The Devil card is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. I'm getting your mother. I tell her your mother. I say your mother hate you. Your mother blood clot hate you. Your mother hate you, brody. Your mother know why you do with nobody. And as soon as you're there with somebody, I'm getting everything get fucked up. I don't know what is this. I feel like your mother is attached to you in some way, and if you get a girlfriend, something about her, it'll get weak. I'm getting when you're in a relationship, your mother powers, your mother get weak. I don't know what she been doing to you. The Queen of Swords is clarified by the 5. Yes, if you listen to this woman who are gonna reach out to you and talk to you and tell you what to say to this girl who you just start date and are trying to extort you, she gonna tell you say she a lesbian. She gonna tell you all type of things. I want jealous blood clot girl. The relationship are gonna end. She is sent in for fuck up any relationship you have. Cause I'm getting a thing. Cause the terror I tell you say you're gonna deal with her. Don't listen to this Pisces woman. Do not listen to the Libra, Gemini, Aquarius woman. I want suck pussy bitch who jealous. Don't listen to her. The Justice card is clarified by the Magick. Don't listen to her. You hear me tell you? She gonna tell you if you do or say one bag of things, you gonna fuck up your relationship. Me tell you from now. Because one thing Burna Boy could acknowledge. Burna Boy could acknowledge that he had to say bye-bye to the love of his life. That's so much different than, let me tell you something. I'm going to say, this is just my side of the story, and I'm going to, let me just record it so the fans can see. I am not making Future live this down. Hello, I do not know you. What do you mean you don't know me? How did you, bitch? I do not know you. Stop calling my phone. How could you say? You're so different, that is. I'm getting your mother, Burner. Your mother. If I know your mother, worse, if your mother bleach out her here, your mother start bleach here, your mother under MK Ultra. Just start bleach here. Or if you notice all of a sudden your mother shave off her head. Dead giveaway. Dead giveaway. Bleach blonde hair. Your mother ball off her head, she shave her head. Your mother head look like a man head. Your mother go to a barber. Your mom is going to a male barber to get her hair done like a male. Dead giveaway. You're not gonna find no love in your life. Me getting, this is your warning. If you want to be with this girl and enjoy her pussy and enjoy getting it sucked, don't listen to the nasty big pussy blood clot Pisces who wastes her life, and because her daughter is achieving her dreams, she want blood clot intercept it. Why the fuck she never intercept the walls of our blood clot pussy? Remember, Mother's Day is coming up. If your child don't know their father, you're not one of the sluts that will be fucking celebrated. You know which type of will be celebrated? Hi, well, you know, I just want to thank you for your service. My service? Yeah, it's Mega MILF Monday. What the fuck is the Mega MILF Monday? Yeah, we're just giving back to the local MILFs in the community, and we just want to show you that we appreciate you and we appreciate your service. Oh, thank you. Those are the MILFs. And surrounding communities will be the one that be celebrated on their birthday. If he's a nasty blood clot, devil worshipping, suck cocky, suck pussy, now don't know who your baby daddy is, mother, you should be oppressed on Mother's Day. Let's get some of these cards and we're going to leave it here. You have been warned, sir. You have been warned. Come on, them look, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. You've been warned. I swear I wake up late this morning. And then I check the clock at 6 o'clock. I said, what? I feel like it was 10. Neptune rules Pisces. Neptune rules dreams and illusions. You wonder why. You're such a... Look, a man like Burna Boy. Cancer and Pisces. You know much get, you know much girl I can make fall in love with you? Yeah, but me getting something dep on you. If something is not on you, me getting at the Magick. Well, the Lagos family in fucking Nigeria is doing protection work for you. So any bitch who come in your circle and it's like she come in your circle and she want to tell you how to dress, how to go up on stage. No, sing this music, do something else. Ma'am, stay in your blood clot lane. Dream and illusion, me getting somebody who's around you, something gonna shatter. You gonna find out why your shit keep failing. I want big pussy blood clot. Pisces bitch. Secret society, she blood clot jealous. Her breast them long no blood clot and her pussy big. She wastes her blood clot life and away upon you for abandon ship so she can blood clot be captain. Sweetie, you should have been captain from you were young and stop fucking and having so much kids. Pisces. Taurus. I want big pussy blood clot jealous Pisces bitch. She jealous of you? Are your mother? Are your blood clot mother? She jealous? One more. Political agenda. Your mother is playing politics. So she should stay in politics and leave your blood clot love life alone. Where your fucking mother try to live her dreams through you for. She'll live her dreams through you. You have kids, you don't even have no blood clot kids. That could also be a part of the witchcraft. She don't want you have no kids. It's okay, sir. Knowing how some Nigerians are, you can have a baby at 80. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.